Exercise question 3.3. So what is given? Draw the diagram. Three resistors are in series. Okay. What are the values? 1, 2 and 3. So you will say R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 2 ohm, and R3 is 3 ohm. Then connected to battery or not? How many volt? 12 volt. Okay. So this is what we know, right? Mind go total. Actually, equivalent is a value. Equivalent resistance. Can I correct? Are equivalent? Mind go how to do it? R1 plus R3. So 6 ohm. No cost whatsoever. Good. Fine. Part B. So for part B, I think first of all we should draw equivalent circuit. એવું capacitor માં થતું એવું જ આમાં છે. If you will simplify the circuit, you will be able to, find all the things that you want. R equivalent is 6. ચલો હવે read the question. What do we have to find? What is the potential drop? Potential drop means potential decrease or basically difference. Voltage. So what is the voltage for each? V1, V2 and V3. Clear or not clear? These resistors are in series. Same to current. So listen to this carefully. All questions that are about finding voltage of resistor or current through resistor or capacitor voltage or charge of capacitor, anything. All of these can be solved using 4 sentences. 2 about series, 2 about parallel, and equivalent formula series parallel. Okay, and Q equal to CV and V equal to IR. આટલી ઇક્વેશન માં તમે આમ કરો એટલે શું થાય આન્સર આવી જ જાય. The first thing to attack always is the one that is same. For example here, what is same? So I પેલા મળી જશે. It is easier to find always. સમજાણું? Suppose parallel માં હોય ને તો V પેલા મળી જાય. It's always easy that way, right? Under normal circumstances. Of course, sometimes question is twisted and all that. એ બધી વાત પછી ધીરે ધીરે તમને સમજ પડી જશે કે શું પેલા ફાઇન્ડ કરાય શું ન કરાય, etc. So here we go. So first of all we'll find I. So I તો બધાનો સેમ છે. So here if the current is I, then here also the current is I. Yes or no? Because I is equal to I1 equal to I2 equal to I. So our current find using how to find it? Using what? Ohm's law. Yes or no? So શું આવશે? 2 ampere. Sure? Yes or no? The current in circuit and in each resistor is I equal to 112 by 6, that is equal to 2 amp. समझ पड़ी गई? Yes or no? So this I is actually equal to I1 is equal to I2 equal to I2. Okay, voltage. The voltage for first resistor. So voltage for R1 is V1 equal to I1 R1. But how much is I1? 2. How much is I1? 2. Same as I. Okay, so I1 is same as I. That is 2 into what is R1? 1. So it is you 2 volts. I the બીજા બે આવડે ફાઇન્ડ કરતા leave space give it a 2. Clear? Okay, હવે તે બીજો એક પેરેલલ નો સમ that is home. All right, now go to the exercise. Question 20. Question 20 is homework. All right, question 20 is એમાં આવું છે બધું series parallel ના relations. What is voltage એટલે potential difference?
EMF નો મતલબ શું થાય 3.3
3.3 માં EMF લીધું ઓકે એટલે actually when we say this is a 12 volt battery ideally this is something called EMF right but you અહીંયા લખ્યું તો છે EMF but there is no need to understand it as EMF if you just consider it as voltage then also it's fine both are not same but they are related with each other in fact what is EMF we will study in the next talk now about cells is it clear okay એટલે અત્યારે તમે એને ખાલી વોલ્ટેજ જ માનો no problem got it consider it to be voltage then also there is no change at least in this question બરાબર એમાં કદાચ એવું લખ્યું છે negligible internal resistance લખ્યું ને see is that batteries themselves have a resistance just like every material has a resistance બધા chemical નું resistance હોય battery also has a resistance પણ એમાં લખ્યું છે કે this has zero or negligible internal resistance એટલે બેટરી નું કઈ છે જ નહીં જે છે 1 2 3 એટલું છે did you get that okay fine so even some parallel નો છે you make sure you do it. Now let me ask you to do a couple of more different questions not given in the book which allow you to use various concepts that we have learned so far. So let's say that this is a 12 volt battery. This is a 6 ohm resistor. This is a 2 ohm resistor. No, correct. This is a 3 ohm resistor. And let's say that this is a 4 ohm resistor. Now I want you to find following first. Current in each resistor. Second, voltage for each resistor. And third one, power loss for each resistor. So how to do it? Like I said, if you want to find current and voltage for all the things, then what you should do is simplify. So reflection आ करने ना देखा तो क्या कैमरा में ओके आ लाइक डाउनलोड करते हैं Okay. So how to simplify this? Diagram draw करवाना. Next diagram क्यों है? 12 volt પછી अब एक equivalent આવશે ને? Yes or no? Let's call it R dash. અને પછી અહીંયા અચ્છા આને 1 કહ્યું. This is R1, R2 and R3. So easy to talk about. Is this fine? Yes or no? Okay. સમજ પડે ને કે નહીં? પછી શું what next find r equivalent હા ખાલી r equivalent લાસ્ટ સુધી જવું કંપલસરી નથી but it helps so this is it ચલો first of all find r dash શું આવશે
2 ohm
2 sure
yes
because r1 and r2 are in series or parallel લખજો બરાબર એક એટલીસ્ટ એક્ઝામ માં લખજો ભલે અત્યારે ખાલી એમને જવાબ જ વાત નહીં R1 and R2 are in parallel. So 6 and 3 in parallel 2. एक shortcut याद છે કે નહીં parallel માં હોય બે જ હોય if there are only two resistors in parallel then you can say R equivalent is R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Okay, that's a quick way to do. So R dash value is 2 and R3 is 4. ચલો હવે R equivalent શું આવશે 6. So how much is the current? Current I will be equal to 12 by 6, that is 2 ampere once again. That's the current here. So સૌથી પહેલા શું મળી ગયું કયો કરંટ
Equivalent.
ઇક્વિવેલન્ટ નો કરંટ પણ ઈ ક્યાં ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો તો ઇન ઈચ રેઝિસ્ટર તો કયો મળી ગયો I3 આવી ગયો is that okay or not okay out of I1 I2 and I3 we found I3 first yes or no
Yes.
કોને નો ખબર પડી that we have found I3 already I થઈ ગયો and I3 થઈ ગયો why so look at this these two are in series so what is same in series current so if the current here is I then here also it's going to be I clear or not so the third one the current will be I that is equal to I look now therefore I3 why I3 is same as this because R3 and R dash are in series exam में લખવું પડે લખવાનું R3 and R dash are in series therefore I3 equal to I dash equal to I that is equal to 2M get current out that means we can also find voltage see again like I was saying it's all a play of those four sentences and Ohm's law and V equal to Q by C and all that એમાં જેમ આમ કરો એટલે બધા આન્સર આવે કરંટ આવી ગયો બરાબર ને જોયું પહેલા શું હોય કરંટ છે કેમ કારણ કે આ લાસ્ટ સ્ટેપમાં બે સિરીઝમાં ઓકે or not okay if you go by the normal way you will find current એટલે કરી પછી નહીં જાવ ધ્યાન નહીં રાખવાનું ડ્રો કરવામાં ધ્યાન નહીં રાખવાનું so we got I equal to 2M એટલે આવી હવે એનો વોલ્ટેજ ફાઇન્ડ કરી નાખો V3 ચલો ચલો વોલ્ટેજ for the third one V3 વોલ્ટેજ for the third one શું આવે હા how much 8 કે 12 કે सीरीज માં છે ને તો વોલ્ટેજ ઇક્વલ હોય વોલ્ટેજ सीरीज માં ન હોય ને ફેલ નહીં આવે ને V3 equal to I3 R3 how much is I3 2 R3 answer આવશે is that clear V3 equal to 8 got it પરિવાર કહું છું ઓલા ચાર સેન્ટન્સ અને રેઝિસ્ટર છે એટલે V equal to IR બસ આટલું જ કરશો ને એટલે એક માંથી બીજું બીજા આમને પછી આમને એવું બધું જ આવી જશે ઓકે we have got V3 now what do you want to find હજી શું ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું કરંટ ઇન ઈચ રેઝિસ્ટર પાવર ઉપર પહોંચી ગયા કરી શકાય બટ લેટ્સ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરંટ ફોર અધર્સ ઓલસો પાવર તો ઈઝી છે એ તો બધાને આવડી જશે બરાબર ને ખાલી ફોર્મ્યુલા મૂકો એટલે આન્સર આવી જશે હાઉ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ કરંટ ફોર ધી અધર્સ
I dash ની વેલ્યુ
can you find current for this directly yes or no આવડે છે કરી શકાય પણ પેલા બેઝિક શીખી લો પછી એવું લાગશે કે તમે એટલું એકદમ મસ્ત કરો છો તો કરાવી બરાબર વિધાઉટ રાઇટિંગ એની ચલ વાંધો સો વી હેવ ગોટ V3 તો આ બે પેરેલલ હતા તો પહેલા શું મળે વોલ્ટેજ જ મળે પહેલા સમજો મેં સો હિયર V dash is equal to how much 4 volt yes or no કે દેવ
V3 plus V2
there are two ways to do it one current into equivalent R resistance બરાબર ને તો એક મેથડ આમ છે I dash into R dash I dash is 2 R dash is 2 2 into 2 4 another method is total voltage is 12 so 8 value લઈ ગયો તો હવે બાકી શું રહ્યું 4 કેમ because in series V equal to V1 plus V2 જો આવ્યો સેન્ટેન્સ બોલો understood તો આ થઈ ગયું 4 volt V dash is 4 volt V dash આવી ગયું તો હવે I2 I mean I1 I2 ફાઇન્ડ કરી શકો what is same voltage V dash આવી ગયું ને બરાબર R1 R2 are in parallel એવું છે ને yes or no yes therefore you have V dash equal to V1 equal to V2 so voltage automatically આવે how much 4 હવે I1 I2 આવી જાય કરો power is maintenance power. ठीक है I1 R1 equal to 4 so I1 is equal to 4 by 6 that is 2 by 3m got it yes or no okay then I2 equal to 4 by 3 so 4 by 3 got it clear everyone yes fine or not fine okay now we have got all the current voltage આવી ગયા ને બધા આનો voltage 8 volt 4 volt 4 volt everything is wrong by power loss is find का तो I square का तो V square by okay જે કરવું હોય બધી રીતે થઈ જશે understood for V into I also will do right એ છોડી દો તમારે ગમે તેવી કોમ્પ્લિકેટેડ સર્કિટ હોય હવે તે આવડી જાય ચલો એક હોમવર્ક માં સમ So this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, and this is R4. પૂછ્યું કે બધું કરવું પડે okay find power loss in R1 and R2 કેટલો છે okay Do you see the question 21 from your book? No, internal reason. Never mind, leave it. After this homework, fine, let's go over to the next topic. I hope you have done it. Now a little silly topic is remaining. Okay, that is called color code for carbon resistor. कोई पण एग्जाम में आवे लॉटरी. Okay, मजाक न करतो. This is probably the stupidest topic in this entire book. કારણ કે કંઈ જ કરવાનું નથી. Right? It is possible that you might find 2 plus 2 equal to 4 more difficult than this. Okay. So first of all, So this is actually a list of letters or names of colors that you have to remember. If you might have broken some electronic circuit, you might have seen that there is, something of something of this type inside. And in band, have you seen something like this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Actual માં કોઈ પણ ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક સર્કિટ હોય તમારે ઘરે કંઈ પણ જૂનું પડ્યું હોય તોડીને okay or not okay, right? There is something called carbon resistor. This is a resistor which is made up of carbon, okay, and it is used as a cheap and reliable resistance in various circuits, right? So when it is manufactured, to indicate its resistance, 4 or sometimes 3 colored bands are put. Generally એવું હોય કે 3 band આમ નથી હોય અને એક છે ને આમ થોડી દૂર આવે. Okay, so that you know which one is which. Okay. Sometimes there are only 3, first 3. Now here, first. Now what are these bands for? They are different colors. They indicate what is the value of the resistance. The resistance into any values of the 10 ohm, 100 ohm, 1000 ohm, 220 ohm, whatever. Okay or not okay? એના માટેનો આ કોડ છે. Code that is like you match it with the color code and then you can know its resistance. So this is the first band. Okay. This is the second one. Those two fill up these boxes. Third one goes into the power of 10. Okay, first, second, third, and then the last one is used to indicate percentage error. The last one is used to indicate percentage error. Okay, so this is what is the format. A format તમારે યાદ રાખવું પડે. Okay, nothing special about it. 1 2 બે digit છે, એક 10 નો પાવર છે ને એક પાછળ error percentage. Okay, so these are the names of colors, right? Starts with black, then brown, then red. આ vivid છે જો અહીંયા. Orange ઊંધું, yellow, green, blue, violet. This is green. Right, this is white. Okay, this is gold and silver and nothing or no color or nothing. Okay, so our values any સાથે match થાય 0. If it's black, it's 0. 0 1 2 3 up to 9 now. Did you understand? 0 to 9. Okay, it's like a secret code. બરાબર ને? Okay. તો એમ કે એક્ઝામમાં કેટલા માર્ક આવ્યા? તો રેડ યેલો secret code છે. किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. Understood? 3 जो digit ન બોલતા પાછા. 10 raised to नहीं આવે કઈ તમારે. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. So here again, if you want to remember this part, reverse with your order therefore. Indigo no, because there is no color like indigo actually. બરાબર? Confusion શું થશે ખબર છે? B કયો B શું હતું? અચ્છા હવે આ યાદ કેવી રીતે રાખવાનું એના માટે એક સેન્ટેન્સ છે. That's called a mnemonic. It is, you say BB Roy goes to Bombay. Capital લખું છું ને એ આપણે કામના લેટર. ઓકે, BB Roy goes to Bombay. પછી via gateway. બોમ્બે માં ખબર છે કે નહીં? ગેટવે જોયું છે કે નહીં? ગેટવે ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા. With gold and silver and matte. આવું યાદ રાખશો તો રહી જશે. Is it clear? સ્મગલિંગ કરે છે એવું યાદ રાખો. બરાબર ને? So for example, if some resistor shows following colored bands, let's say blue, orange, yellow, and silver, and you find its resistance 12, blue, orange, yellow, and silver. Exam માં એવું ન કહેતા સર કલર ન આપ્યા પેપર માં. They will write it on shorts. એના માટે printed કલર પ્રિન્ટ નહીં કાઢે પેપર ની. ઓકે. થઈ ગયું ને કે નહીં? આ લખી નાખજો પછી બીજી વખત પાછું યાદ ન કરો. આમાં કઈ છે નહીં. It's not worth repeating. Okay, yeah. Gold, silver, and no color, they represent percentage error. So gold represents 5% error, silver represents 10% error, and no color represents lowest quality 20% error. Okay, here we go. Over to that. One driver.
63.
Blue means which one? 6. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 થી start થાય છે જોજો. So 6. Is that clear?
Yes.
For blue, અહીંયા લખો 6. પછી orange એટલે 3. So 63. And then into 10 raised to yellow means 4. Alright? And then silver. So this is in ohm and plus or minus
10%.
10. Okay, 63 into 10 raised to 4 ohm. Here we have it. No logic whatsoever. આમાં કઈ બીજું વિચારવાનું નથી. Okay? હા પણ આને ટ્વિસ્ટ કરીને એવું પૂછે છે. Find the absolute error. Find the absolute error. આ percentage error છે. Absolute error find करना आवड़े कि नहीं? 11 માં બધું ને. Okay? યાદ તો છે ને? Any quantity delta z by z into 100 કરો એટલે percentage error આવે. તો એટલે absolute error is delta z. બીજી બધી વેલ્યુઝ છે તો મૂકી દો એટલે થઈ જાય. Okay? For example here, out the delta z by z into 100 equal to 10 and z's value is 63 into 10 raised to 4. The error modi. Got that? Finish. આ સેન્ટેન્સ મેઇન છે, બીજો આમાં કઈ છે નહીં. બરાબર યાદ રહી ગયો ઓર્ડર તો ફૂલ, પછી કઈ જરૂર નથી. અને આવું રેઝિસ્ટર જોઈ લેજો ઘરે છે ડેફિનેટલી. કોઈ પણ ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક આઇટમ એનીથિંગ વોટસોએવર એક તો રેઝિસ્ટર એની અંદર નીકળશે, એસ્પેશિયલી ટોયસ. ઓકે, રિમોટમાં મને થોડો ડાઉટ છે, કદાચ રિમોટમાં ન હોય. These resistors, they are so small, જોયું હોય તો ખબર હશે, આટલું જ હોય સાવ. And they are very cheap. એક લેવા જાવ તો કોઈ આપે નહીં, બગાડ દે, જા ન આપો એવું કહે. They are very very cheap. પેકેટમાં જ મળે, લો 100. ઓકે, એવી રીતે. Now, let's go to the next thing. Cell. Biology. Barabar ne? Ready for biology class? No? Which statement is more true? Maths wala બાયોલોજી થી ડરીને મેથ્સ લે એ વધારે સાચું છે કે બાયોલોજી વાળા મેથ્સ થી ડરીને બાયોલોજી લે એ વધારે સાચું? આપણે આ ઇશ્યુ પર ડિબેટ કરવી જોઈએ ને તમારે એક ક્લાસ હશે
એમને ઈ જ આ પાડશે મેથ્સ થી ડાયરેક્ટ
જેને જે ન આવડતું હોય એ ન લે તો તમે લોકો બાયોલોજી નો તો આવડતું છે okay so let's talk about cells now. Cells basically are the source of voltage. That is, when you connect the cell with something, it creates or it gives a voltage or potential difference, and that allows current to pass or that creates electric field. याद है देखो starting में आपने बताया थे random motion does not cause current. Electric field causes current. So electric field creates થાય કેવી રીતે? It's because of a cell. Cell is one of the two ways to create electric field. Okay, and what the other way? Other way are magnets, generator. Okay, now cells work purely based on chemical reaction. So તમે મને એમ પૂછો કે why do cells give voltage? તો હું કહી દઈશ chemistry માં. Is that clear? All right. Why cells give voltage whenever you connect them? એ બધું chemistry. For us, what is important is what happens when they give a voltage. Right? એટલું સમજાણું. Another word, battery. There is a very minor difference between a cell and a battery. ફરક ખબર છે કોઈને? કોને ખબર? Cell and battery difference? Yes, Raj.
Collection of cells is called a battery.
Multiple cells combined together, that is called battery. સમજાણું? Sure. Well, just like you can connect cells in series, you can also connect cells in parallel. Them resistors, say series parallel, capacitors, series, બધું સારું. Is that okay? એવું બધું આવશે. So whenever you are using multiple cells, it's a battery. બરાબર? બાકી બે વચ્ચે કંઈ ફરક નથી. સિંગ્યુલર પ્લુરલ જેવો ફરક છે. Difference between cow and cows. Okay, the difference between cell and battery. એટલું જ છે. બરાબર? There is nothing extraordinary about it. Often the words are used interchangeably. ઉપર cell ના બદલે battery કહીએ. Like that. It doesn't matter much. So, now for a cell or a battery, there are some important characteristics that we should understand from physics point of view. Chemistry માં આવા chapter આવશે. બસ તમે ધરાઈને પડજો. Okay? Here we will focus on the parts that are necessary for us, that is as far as current is concerned. So suppose that this is a battery box, okay, or a cell. Then hopefully you do know from basics that cell has two terminals, one positive and one negative. કોઈ પણ cell જોયો હોય, battery જોયો હોય, એમાં એક જગ્યાએ પ્લસ લખ્યું હોય, કોઈ માઇનસ, બરાબર? Positive terminal and negative terminal. Suppose this is the positive terminal and this is the negative. અંદર ભલે જે હોય, but to use this battery, you would have to connect some feature. Let's say we connect some resistor or some bulb with resistance R. Now if you connect current, so current will flow and the battery will give its energy to resistor. And the bulb will, sometimes current will pass. समझ पड़े कि नहीं? Is this direction of current clear to you so far? Yes or no?
Yes.
Current will come out from positive and go into negative. This is what happens when you are using a battery. Alright? Sure? So let's call this point P. P for positive. And let's call this point N. N for negative. Fine. Now, you see, what is going on here is that charge is flowing from P to N like this. Electrons here jata hai. We know in metal wires actually electrons drift. And positive charge no flow thata. Electrons are flowing. Electrons here flow thata. They come out from N Okay, they'll go through this nice ride made for them, roller coaster ride, and then they'll go to positive. Is that clear? समझाणो कि no समझाणो? Yes or no?
Yes.
Fine. So when they will go through this, energy will be lost. Okay? That energy will be given to the bulb and that will be thrown away in the form of light. Or if it is a resistor, then it will be thrown in the form of heat or nothing else. Gamme any energy jate. So electrons, after getting tired, will reach here. Okay. Now, if electrons continuously reach here after getting tired and tired, that is losing energy again. Every time the electron comes from here to here. So dhire dhire here to electrons, there should be a crowd of electrons. Yes or no? Okay, and electrons have a charge, so they will not allow more electrons to come. Yes or no?
Yes.
So the moment this starts, suddenly there will be a problem and the battery should stop work. Another thing, have you noted ever that always when we talk about circuits, suppose this is some resistor, let's say 10, like a battery लगाते हैं 10 volt. Okay, how much current will flow in this resistor? How much current will flow in this? 1 ampere? Yes, 0 ampere. 0 ampere? What? 10 volt, 10 ohm. So V equal to IR ना था? क्यों ना?
Circuit complete nothing.
Current can only flow continuously in a loop. Make sense? Sure? Yes or no? So the problem here, well, so far if you look at this only, we have the same. Electrons can go from N to P, and then charge doesn't flow anywhere. It has to flow somewhere. It has to flow somewhere. Basically, I'm sure you know that these are called electrodes. How to do 10th marking?
Yes.
How? These are called electrodes. Right? And આ બેની વચ્ચે કઈ કેમિકલ હોય which is generally called electrolyte. P1 નહીં હો. Sometimes it might not even be a liquid. It might be a solid. For example, pencil cells कोई હશે કે નહીં? એને powder thing. Have you seen it? Okay, so electrolyte. But that electrolyte is not liquid. It is a solid. But એ બધું શું હોય? કેવી ટાઈપના cells હોય? blah blah blah. એ બધું chemistry માં. Okay, I don't want to go towards that. Fine. So electrons come from here in this. They have to complete the loop. Do you realize the loop must get completed in some form? Charge should go around in a loop. So it's time. Okay. For an analog, you can say that there is a pump. A pump. એમાંથી એક બાજુ આઉટપુટ પાઇપ અને પાણી પછી આ પાઇપમાં ફ્લો થશે. If this is open, તો અહીંયા જે કઈ પાણી હતી બધું ફેંકી દેશે બહાર. પછી પૂરું થઈ ગયું. For a continuous operation, it has to be like this. Yes or no? समझ पड़ी कि why a closed path or a loop is necessary. So આમાં શું થાય? It is indeed quite clear that if current is flowing like this here, then current should flow here, and then from here to here. Did you understand?
Yes.
So the path complete time. Clear or not? Current will flow out like this, and then here, and the path is completed. Did you get that? Sure. Current flows from positive to negative. Current flows from negative to positive, or positive to negative?
Positive to negative outside, negative to positive inside the cell.
Outside the battery, positive to negative. Inside the battery, negative to positive. When we use a battery or when we discharge a battery, when a battery or a cell, again whatever is true for a cell is also true for a battery. When a battery or cell is being discharged or being used, okay, use no meaning तो समझ पड़े ने? current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal outside the battery, and inside the battery opposite, and from negative terminal to positive terminal inside. Sentence clear? Okay. So actually I give the what happens is that electrons will flow in the wire everywhere, no problem. But then in the electrolyte means typically a solution. Electrons cannot flow in a solution. And ions flow. Here the ions are flowing. The negative charge means electrons will go like this and come here. પછી હવે નેગેટિવ ચાર્જ આમ જશે, but that will go in form of anions નહીં. Okay, anions will go from this to that, and you can equivalently say that or possible that according to chemistry of the કયું flow થાય એ chemistry પર depend. But there are two possibilities that either anions will flow this way, so current will flow the opposite way, or cations will flow this way. All right, સમજાણો ને? Yes or no? આમાં એનોડ કેથોડ શું હોય? પોઝિટિવ એનોડ અને નેગેટિવ કેથોડ. Sure? Absolutely wrong. Is that okay? In this particular situation that we have shown here in this diagram, anode is this one, and anode કોને કહેવાય? પોઝિટિવ અને એનોડ કહેવાય. એવું કહેશો તો નામ anode means where oxidation occurs. બરાબર ને કે નહીં? ઓકે, I am preparing you for electrochemistry. થોડુંક કહી દો એટલે એ ચાપ્ટરનો તમને કોઈ વાંધો ના આવે. Anode is where oxidation occurs. અહીંથી electron બહાર નીકળી જશે. Means this thing is getting oxidized. પછી અહીંયા જશે ને તો એ electron absorb કરી લેશે. Means this thing is getting reduced. સમજાણું? એટલે આ anode છે અને આ cathode. હા, પણ આ બધું છે ને આ ડિસ્ચાર્જિંગ માટે જ થતું હોય. ઊંધું કરો તો આ ઊંધું થઈ જાય. Right? So there is of course lot of detail. એ બધું કેમિસ્ટ્રી માટે રાખવું. આ તો ખાલી તમને બેઝિક. Right? Or another way to remember is that onions always move towards anode. Is that clear? એટલું યાદ રાખવાનું. તો onions ને onion કે anions move towards anode. એટલે જ એને anion. એ એનું reason છે actually. Why are they called anions? Okay, anyways. Fine, so this is what normally happens. But there are several issues to solve still. If you say that electron starts from here, let's say goes over here and uses up its energy, then energy I कौन है? बल्ब पे energy है तो कौन है?
Sir, reaction में energy.
When oxidation occurs over here, it releases some energy. It releases some energy. The electrons will start out on this adventure with that energy. But they have body energy नहीं लेता. Okay? Okay or not okay? Do you remember that a battery gives energy or does work when charge flows?
Yes.
Work done by a battery. So the formula Q into V. યાદ આવ્યું ને? Okay, એટલે એ જ છે basically. Battery can give it energy due to chemical reaction. E energy લઈને આમ જશે અને અહીં આવે છે. Is that clear? Yes or no? Okay. Then the next electron will go from here to here. Then the next electron will go from here to here. They continuously charge. Did you understand? Okay. Fine. Now we will define two terms. Number one, terminal voltage. Symbol is V. એને અત્યાર સુધી આપણે બેટરી વોલ્ટેજ કહીએ છે ને, so far in your life whatever you have called as battery voltage is actually terminal voltage. Okay, so terminal voltage means the potential difference between the positive terminal and the negative terminal of battery. Potential difference between positive terminal and negative terminal of battery. That is what is called terminal voltage. Nothing else. It's called terminal voltage. Is the bell ring? Second definition. Internal resistance. Internal resistance. एकदम easy. बराबर ने? कि word क्या सोल्व करता है खबर पड़ जाए what it means. Internal resistance of a cell or battery is the resistance of the different parts or materials of the battery. Okay, તેમાં શું આવી ગયું? Electrode, electrolyte, everything. Is that okay? The book માં શું definition લખી મને ખબર નથી. I'm just presenting the accurate and a simple version. Symbol આનો smaller. What is the symbol? Smaller, not capital. Okay, it is the internal resistance is the resistance of the parts of battery or cell. Okay, like which parts? Electrodes, electrolyte, etc. etc. બીજા ખબર નહીં શું પાર્ટ આવે કેમેસ્ટ્રીમાં આવશે bridge, there's something like bridge also. Yes. All right. Fine. Third topic.